to the Sound Season 2 finale. Now, before we find out who made it into the top 2, we are excited to announce a special performance, and it is presented tonight by Chick-fil-A at the Mall St. Matthews, where you can get their fabulous superfood salad with broccoli, kale, and roasted nuts, and under 140 calories. It's something you've got to try. So thank you again, Chick-fil-A from the Mall St. Matthews. We want to welcome to the sound stage a multi-time Dove Award winner from the Grammy-nominated group Point of Grace. Here to sing from her all-new solo project, Sweet Exchange, here is Heather Payne singing Holy, Holy, Holy.
Hey guys, this is an exciting night, right? Yay! Congratulations to all of you guys. Put your hands together with me. Help me keep the rhythm. Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty. Early in the morning our song shall rise to thee. Holy, 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 merciful and mighty. God in 3 persons, blessed Trinity. Yeah. Holy are you, Lord God Almighty. You are holy. The Lamb who was slain, and we sing glory to you now and forever. You are holy, holy, yes. Oh Lord, you are holy, 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 holy. Though the darkness hide thee, though the eye of sinful men your glory may not see, and only you are holy, and there is none beside thee. Lord, you're perfect in power and love and in purity. Yeah, yeah. Holy are you, Lord God Almighty. You are worthy. You're the Lamb who was slain, and we sing glory to you now and forever. You are holy, holy, oh yes. To you, Lord God Almighty, you are worthy, oh Lord. You're the Lamb who was slain, and we sing glory to you now and forever. Holy, holy, oh Lord, you are holy, holy, oh yes, you are
Heather, thank you so much for coming and performing with us tonight. And thank you to Chick-fil-A for sponsoring this segment, Chick-fil-A at the Mall St. Matthews. Now, Heather, can I steal you back on stage? I was wondering if you would stick around with us and share your expertise, give our contestants some feedback this evening.
I would love to. That would be awesome. Absolutely.
Fantastic. Well, we'd love to have you here. So now take a look at this and we'll be right back.
You got to find your own opportunities. And then you got to trust that when the student's ready, the teacher appears. That's God stuff. Now the first impressions come a lot quicker and you can't get them back in the box. If it doesn't create some kind of visceral, make the hair stand up on your arm emotion, it's not going to last beyond your circle of friends. So many times we get so caught up in trying to find that next level when everybody's saying think outside the box. And I'm telling you what, folks, for me, I spent my entire life trying to look at the box I'm in differently. But after hearing you sing, there's so much talent sitting in this room. Eternity can be changed. That gives God's place to you.
Ladies, I have to tell you, there have been times where those comfy judges' chairs looked really good. Right now, I couldn't be happier that I'm not a judge. You all were excellent. The first contestant to make it as a finalist in our top 2 is Erica. Erica, you will be singing again tonight. And now, here's Erica singing an original titled All My Life.
I'm waiting for your spirit to lead me through. 'Cause sometimes I'm weary, confused on what to do. I know you hear my cry out and my hurting. Doesn't fit, I start worrying till you remind me. All my life you've been there to let me know. All my life I've been surrounded by your help. Everything that life can bring is hard, but you took the suffering. Now I'm guided by your light. All my life I get tired and discouraged. I need you to feel free. Come closer, Lord, and listen. Take me, guide me through. I know you hear my cry out and my hurting. And when the answer
Let's hear it for Erica. Woo. So, both of your songs tonight were originals. When did you first start writing?
When I was about 21, which has been a while ago, I actually wrote with Kenzie's mom, who is an amazing songwriter, and went through a very difficult time. That was a very hard season in my life, and in order to cope with a lot of the pain, I wrote it down, and it was a great experience for me to do that. It was a great way to just deal with what was going on
channel
in
it.
my life.
Oh,
Yes.
beautiful. Yeah, so many beautiful things come from when we're broken, I find.
Absolutely.
Well, and your music is definitely one of them.
Thank you.
Let's hear from the judges. All right, Chris, can we get started with you?
Yeah, first of all, I loved the songs that you did before. Anything off the Oh Brother, Where Art Thou soundtrack, I'm ready. And then mixing it with a current CCM song, brilliant. What I love about your performances from last season and this season is you always give 100%. That's what we want. We want the confidence. We want you to get up there, and whether or not every single note hits every single time, I really believe like you were giving all, and kudos to you for that. Great job.
Excellent. Leslie?
Yeah, I really enjoyed hearing more of your testimony and some of your struggles, and that's not only do you have this voice and you're really able to share that, and so your experiences really come through. You're really ministering to us, and that's what makes you a viable artist.
Thank you so much, judges. Now don't go anywhere. When we come back, we're going to find out who made it into the top 2, our other contestant to perform. Don't go anywhere.
The Sound Louisville on WBNA 21 is brought to you by B&B Law Offices, Shelbyville Chrysler, Parallon Business Solutions, Troy's Wrecker Service, Doo-Wop Shop, Louisville Athletic Club Westport Road location, Ren and Ray, and Knob Creek Gun Range. Wardrobe for hosts provided by Favorite Things Boutique, Shelbyville, Kentucky.